Hello, my name is Jack Lawson and I've got a dad with me. Okay, and I'm going to be doing some science. We're going to do a volcano first. So we've already put the first stuff in. Now we're going to pour some vinegar in.
Stop.
As you can see, it's going up. So what we're going to do, it's growing. What's happening? Are we done? We've done this experiment already. We've already done the experiment. Shall we get away so we don't get splattered? Dad.
I don't think it's going to splat me.
In case.
Is that kind of cool?
Yeah, that's kind of cool.